Hello, guys, welcome back, or I should say, welcome me back to this um, media, uh, YouTube, I don't, you name it, Telegram, and things like that. I have been busy, and that is because I have a full time job and I don't do this for living, but I enjoy doing some of this trading because it is fun. You gotta admit it. You get this sense of addiction sometimes when you are in a winning strike. And I have been in a winning strike. Last short that I tried didn't go that well. It happens every now and then. The problem is when it happens often. So here we are. We are just going to get a little bit of information about where BTC is going. I should probably close. This is a forex. You don't care about forex. And I'm going to start with the daily. And I had posted this chart a couple of days ago. Maybe it was yesterday. It wasn't a couple of days ago. But if you go to my Twitter, you will see this chart. And what it means is simple. The black line is a crossover from the MA 8 to the 21, and the green means a cross from the 8 to the 21 or the 21 to the 55. So just look at this chart and tell me if you can catch the pattern. So every time we cross, we tend to fall. We cross again, we fall again. So this is what's happening here. And I'm going to zoom it in so you can see what I have for you on the daily. So we had a cross around, so this should be right here. We had a cross around 74, which that was a good short. I actually shorted about 81 something. That was my first short. I closed my short and I reopened them, and right now I'm in a short again. But anyways, this is a cross, and every time you have a cross, you have a reaction. So you are in the reaction trading with BTC. Every time something happens, you react to it. You don't predict as much, you react to what's going on. So in my case, I am shorting because of this cross, and now because of this cross, I am shorting it again. And as you can see, it was dancing between 71 to 71.50 around there, and all in a sudden it broke down, and that is why I am looking for a price of 63 on the daily. So 6,300 would be on the daily for me. And let me change this color to a red, maybe a blue. So this is my first target for the daily, which the daily is pretty accurate. It doesn't fail as much. And for the monthly, I am looking for a $6,000 price, and I'm going to tell you why. So what I am expecting here is we first tested the MA 8 and the 21. As you can see, we had a good bounce out of the 21 MA, and we went all the way from 57 all the way to 84. That's on a monthly. And we almost retest the MA 21, which was at 6,000, and we went all the way back. We closed on 7,700, and now we're all the way down. So I am assuming the next to be retested is going to be the MA21. We already are under the MA8, so there is no reason to think that we are going back up there. But I am considering and pretty sure we're gonna test the MA21. And when that happens, it's going to be around 6,000. If we fail, this would be the third time that we hit the MA, and if this fail, we're going to see a cross. And I am looking to see this cross 8 and the 21 somewhere right here. And when that happens, I am assuming our next testing would be the MA55. It always happens, so we're going to have to wait for a longer period of time to see the real bottom. I don't think we're gonna hit it anytime soon, because as you can see, it's moving kind of slowly in the monthly. So that's what I think about this for now, and I am shorting it up to 63. We are at 66.90 right now. My shorts entry were 70.10, I think, the second one. So I closed them and I reopened them at 69, and then I added more. 69.80 it was, and then I added more just recently. So I have a shorts around 68.80 maybe. So that's where I am right now, and I'm not concerned about closing my shorts for now, because we are heading down. As you can see, the red line in the RSI, it's my EMA, and the blue line is my M8, and we are pretty far away from it. So if you want to see how it goes, so we can consider this as an example, and it might eventually change, but I think first we're gonna hit our target, which is for me 63 at the moment. And this is all I have for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you are making money in this market. As you know, if you have any questions, you can surely ask me, and if I have an answer, I'll give it to you, and if I don't have an answer, I'll definitely research for you and learn with you whatever concerns or questions you have. And this is all for me today, and I hope that you're enjoying this market. I'll talk to you soon.